Kids in Neosho spent their Friday out by water catching some fish. The Neosho National Fish Hatchery today hosted its annual Kids Fishing Derby. Kids between the ages of 7 and 12 could compete and were able to catch up to 4 fish. Officials say this event gives kids a valuable chance to get outdoors for some fun.
We have volunteers to help everybody that don't know how to fish. We got volunteers to help them learn how to fish, help them put bait on the hook. We got volunteers to help them take fish off the hook. So this is a community event, and we couldn't do this event without the community.
This is the second fishing derby the hatchery has held this year.